Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to get a void check in the CIBC Bank app. A void check is a check with the word void written across it, which prevents anyone from filling out the check and using it to make a payment. You may be asked to provide a void check when setting up a payroll deposit or automatic payments. Since your account information is printed on each check, the void check can be used to set up an electronic link to your bank account. Voiding the check ensures that you aren't sending out a blank check that criminals could fill in and use to withdraw money from your account. Many employers use direct deposit to pay their employees instead of writing checks. Once your account is linked electronically, your money will be deposited directly into your account on payday. Set up automatic payments for bills and rent to have funds withdrawn automatically, saving you the hassle of manual payments. First, download the payroll, direct deposit, or pre-authorized payment form or PDF. Then fill out each field by typing in the requested information. Here, save the form onto your computer. You will need to print a copy to sign the customer's signature space. Now submit the form to the company, depositing the payment into your account or to the billing company. If you are sending the form by email, remember to scan your signed copy so that the electronic version contains your signature. You can also ask for a paper copy of the payroll, direct deposit, or pre-authorized payment form at your CIBC banking center. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.